If you are new to Etsy or you are a seasoned seller struggling to get consistent sales, then keep watching. In today's video, you will have some clarity on how to get your first 100 sales on Etsy and have a repeatable process to scale your Etsy shop to a full-time income. Let's get started. The first step to your roadmap is to find a profitable niche. And one way to increase your chances of success is to focus on a niche market. A niche market is small, but should also be profitable and relatively unexplored by other Etsy sellers. When choosing a niche, you must consider the demand for the products you want to sell. Find gaps in the market. There are a few ways to do this. First, look at the items already being sold and see any niche markets that are underserved. For example, you might notice that there aren't many Etsy sellers selling eco-friendly products. Use tools like eRank or Laura to further your product research and see if you could find any gaps in the market. Find trends. Etsy businesses are no stranger to trends. To be successful in Etsy, it is important to stay up to date on the latest trends and capitalize on them. You can use the Etsy search function to see what items are being searched for the most, and you can use this information to stock up your shop with things that are currently trending or about to trend. By capitalizing on trends, you can ensure that your Etsy business is always one step ahead of the competition. Add only top-notch products. When potential customers visit your Etsy shop, they should be impressed by the selection of products you offer. Make sure to only add top-notch products for your niche market. The biggest mistake you can make is adding all sorts of products, thinking the more products, the more sales, without keeping your customers in mind. Take professional photos. Professional photos are a must if you're running an Etsy business. Your product photos are the first thing potential customers will see, so you want to ensure that they're high quality and accurately represent your products. Remember, a bad photo can prevent you from making a sale no matter how great your product is. Write engaging descriptions. Write detailed product descriptions that showcase the unique features of your products. Start by introducing your product and its key features. Describe the item's history or how it was made. Add a personal story about why you love the product and use adjectives to describe the item's colors, textures, and scents. Etsy SEO. Make sure to optimize your listings. For Etsy SEO, use keywords in your title, tags, and description to help rank on the Etsy search engine and help customers find your products. The biggest advantage of starting an Etsy business is taking advantage of their building traffic. You could start making money on Etsy even if you don't have an online presence or a large email by simply optimizing your listings for SEO. Use social media. Take the time to build a following on one social media platform. I recommend Pinterest or Instagram because they are visual platforms, and make sure that your target audience hangs out there as well. Share sneak peeks of new products and behind the scenes from your workshop. Now, if you're new to Etsy, I also recommend doing an Etsy launch for 15 or 30 days to attract tons of traffic. Start an email list. Make sure to have an email list set up from the beginning. This will help ensure that you have a system in place to capture leads, so therefore you could remarket to them at a later time and start getting consistent sales regularly. So there you have it, a roadmap to your first 100 sales on Etsy with a repeatable process to help you scale your Etsy business.